Hello everyone, my name is Avinash. Today we attend the workshop which is basics of FEA. In that workshop, the lecturer told many lot of things and we discussed many things. In that I will tell some topics. First of all, we need to tell what is the basic of FEA. The basic of FEA is a modern technology. For suppose in past we are not solving complex engineering most complex problems. Nowadays computer technology is more updated. So in that computers we are using, so we are solving the mechanical most solved problems also. And also we discuss the types of analysis. In that there are two types. First one is linear analysis and second one is non-linear analysis. In linear analysis, it is a form. It is one of the basic. It is the most common analysis in FEA. And non-linear analysis. In non-linear analysis, in that there are some such components is there. In that different analysis is there. What are that? It is geometric analysis and material analysis and non-linear constant analysis. Now we will discuss about geometric analysis. Many engineering applications such as metal forming, tile analysis and medical device analysis required. The large deformation analysis based on geometric nonlinearity and the small deformation analysis based on geometric analysis is required for applications like these are the applications like analysis involving cables and shells and so on etc. And also we discussed about material analysis. Now what is material analysis? It involves the non-linear behavior of a material based on a current deformation and also deformation history and rate of deformation and temperature and also pressure and so on. In that section we learn a lot of things and we discuss more. It is used to in placements also. Thank you.